Hello and welcome to the lecture on scales. We will start with major, head over to minor, but I want to first show you what a major scale looks and sounds like. So if we have a key signature of no sharps and no flats, the major key that fits into that is C major. So if we start on C and go up one step at a time all the way back up to C, we create a very major scale, and that's what this sounds like. Oops. Very typical. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do is our key, or our major key. So we can label each of these as the very first note, which we'll call tonic. The second note we will call supertonic. Third note we'll call mediant. Fourth note subdominant. Fifth note dominant. Sixth note submediant. Seventh note leading tone, and our eighth note again will be tonic because they're both C. So if we start here and we listen for that seventh note, the B. So if I just stop it there, you really want it to go up to the C, B, C, and we call that the leading tone. And we call it the leading tone because it really, really wants to go up all the way back up to C. And this changes in our natural minor scale. So if we have no sharps and no flats, our major scale is C. However, to get our minor scale to have the correct intervals, we actually will start on A. So if we start on A and we give each of them and we start at A and we go up one step at a time, go from A to A, it'll have a very different sound. So if you heard that seventh scale degree doesn't quite want to lead as much all the way back into tonic. So that is the only different label for a minor scale. It is still tonic, supertonic, mediant, subdominant, dominant, submediant, and then this, what was previously the leading tone, we will now call the subtonic, and then we're back at the tonic. So if you start on the first scale degree on C for no sharps and no flats, you get a major scale. If you go to the sixth scale degree, which is A of that major scale, you actually get a natural minor scale, and that's what that looks and sounds like. In your assignment, I will have you create a major scale, a minor scale, and label each of those scale degrees, but in a key that is other than no sharps and no flats. So anything with sharps or flats in the key signature will do. Thank you, and have a good night.